Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive group notifications by email on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, staying connected with your favorite Facebook groups has become even easier. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon, which is your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the notifications panel that opens up, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Scroll down this page until you find the Groups section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Email. Simply click this switch to turn it on. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for your Facebook groups. Now, you'll receive updates about group activities directly in your inbox, ensuring you never miss out on important discussions or announcements. This feature is particularly useful if you're part of multiple groups or if you don't check Facebook regularly. It allows you to stay in the loop without having to constantly log into the platform. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences. If you find you're getting too many emails, you can fine-tune which types of group activities you want to be notified about. We hope this guide has been helpful. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to manage your Facebook group notifications more effectively, keeping you connected to the communities that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.